This is very intense battle video which shows Ukrainians saving a wounded soldier.
Есть аптечка, есть! Бери аптечку!
You have to have nerves for this. A column of Ukrainian army vehicles moves on a road mined by Russians. One wrong move, you're dead. The only safe direction is forward. Drone footage of a Russian BMP-2M IFV being destroyed by the Ukrainian 92nd Mechanized Brigade during the battle for Petropavlovka, Kharkiv Oblast. Ukrainian forces from the 129th TDF Brigade hit a Russian artillery emplacement. Porridge made of glue is the new item on the menu of Russian soldiers. I wonder whether that porridge was used while building the Kerch Bridge.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.